Hello everyone. In module 1 of DataFrame, we have seen how to create a data frame using lists and dictionaries. In this module, you will learn some more methods to create a data frame. So let's move to our Python script mode and perform some programs. In this program, we are creating a data frame using dictionary, having values as dictionary. For this, I am writing a statement import pandas as pd, and here is my variable dict. Here I am creating a dictionary which will having values as dictionary. So first key is student, next key is teacher. And the values are passed as a dictionary. This is name, this key and the value, age as key and the value 45, and next is gender. For teacher, the key is name and the value use single quotes or double quotes because it is a string value. Next key is age and the value. Let's change the age. The student age is 18 and the teacher age is 45. And the designation of teacher, that is PGT. Now let's convert this dictionary into a data frame. For this we have to write this statement df equals to pd.dataframe and pass your dictionary. You will see your inner dictionary keys will be set as index and outer dictionary keys as columns. Just run the program. And see the result. Your all inner dictionary keys will be set as index and outer dictionary keys as columns. So you can create data frame using dictionary having values as dictionary. I'm writing a comment here. Your inner dictionary keys will be set as index and outer dictionary keys as column. It's a multi-line comment. For this I am using triple quotes. And outer dictionary keys as columns. So here is your result. Now let's create a data frame from a list of dictionary. If you have the list of dictionaries and using that list of dictionaries you want to create your data frame, creating data frame from a list of dictionary, just remove this statement or command. So here I am creating my dictionary. Dictionary 1 for physics, key value TID and the value is 101. Next key is name and the value is Sanjay, and next key is age and value is 47. And in the same manner for second dictionary, just give some values. For one and age 46. So here are my 3 dictionaries. First is physics, chemistry and for maths. The name, Arvind, and the age 44. df is my variable and pd.DataFrame. Using DataFrame structure, I am passing my list of dictionary, physics, chemistry and maths. Use comma. So here is my list of dictionary. So you can check here, your all keys becomes your column and the values as your data. You can also define the index. By default, your index will start from 0, and if you want to give some label name, so you can write so now you can check your index will be changed PCM. So just try these programs, and in the next module we will see some more computations on DataFrame. Thank you.